Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a simple script using Python which is going to close all the running applications or the processes inside your system. So if I were to show you right now, there will be many background processes that are running on my system, and these two are the processes that I am actually using on this system. So I won't go on a detailed explanation, but if you go to this details tab, you can see that there are many processes running, and there are some system process and some user process, so you can compare between them and you can see like how are they differentiated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open few application which is anything, and this question was raised actually in one of the comment on one of my video, so that's why I'm going to create a script to close all these applications. So as you can see, I have opened Chrome, Sublime Text, and let's open few more. Let's open VLC, and let's open Notepad++. Okay, so so I'm going to close everything out, but I don't want to open my Python application because it is going to run the script. So that is going to be an exception, and this is my recording software, so that goes for it also. So I'm going to keep these two aside and then close all the rest. So let's see if it is going to do that. Let me open Steam also just in case. So I have few more open. So let's write down the logic. So the logic is pretty simple. So you just have to import psutil. If you don't have it, then you just have to do pip space install space psutil. That's it. So once you do that, you can iterate over your running application in your system. So how do you do that? You just have to call out one method from psutil, which is process underscore IETER. That's it. So this is the method that we have to call. So first I'm going to just print out all the processes that are running in my system as of now. So we just have to do process.name, and that's a method, and we just have to run it. So if I do that, it will take some time because there are a lot of background processes, as you can see, and it depends on the system also, because I am having a Lenovo system, so there are some Lenovo specific processes also. And as you can see, OBS is here, which is the recording software. VLC is here. Chrome is there, which I have opened just to close it. And I am going to see Sublime Text somewhere here also. So Steam is here, which I opened. Let's see if I have Sublime Text. Okay, this is going to be a tedious task. So let me just copy it and paste it here, and then search for it. So Sublime Text is here. So I'm going to close everything. I don't have to have a search for it. I just want to close everything out, but there is going to be an exception. So there is going to be a if condition, which is Python should not be in the iteration. So I'm going to do not in, and then process dot name, and OBS, which is my recording software, should not be in process dot name, and that's it. So let's just print everything out. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see if it is printing out OBS or Python or not. So let's just search Python. So Python is not here. Okay, let's see if OBS is here. So good to go. Now we just have to close. So there is one of the video which I have already pasted, and it is out there in my channel. I will just link that video in either in the description, or maybe link on the video somewhere around here. But you can see either way, like wherever you are able to find that out, because I'm still new to YouTube and I'm not sure how to do that information kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is I just have to import OS. So OS is a very good module which actually consists of a lot of libraries using which you can actually do much more on your system, which means an automation. So there is a method which is os.system. So here you just have to provide the commands which basically we run on our command prompt. So it is like that. So it is like a shell window for Python. So when I run this, you will see a pop-up of a command prompt window opened for each iteration. So it is because of this method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call a command taskkill IAM and then the ID of that process. So this is it. So this is dynamic, and when I run this command you will see VLC not parent and everything getting closed other than Python and OBS. So let's run it. So it will take some time because yeah, there are a lot of background processes. Okay, so the execution is completed, and as you can see, Chrome is closed, Sublime Text is closed, Steam is no longer here, Notepad++, even VLC is not here. So everything is good to go. So that was about it for this video. I hope you might have learned something new. If not, you can always recommend me to make more videos on topics that you want, and I will always willing to help because I get to learn also. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Please support me through this path, because I need that. And have a good day. Have a great day, and stay tuned. Bye bye.